explaining the exponential functions, limits of a n tends to infinity or n tends to 0 or x tends to infinity or x tends to 0. Before that, I am referring some question papers, model question papers, and already done examination question papers. In that papers, I found some relevant problems, so that I have to analyze those problems and then go to the exponential problems. Okay. When now I am explaining, these are not in the form of arithmetic progression or geometry progression. They have their own specialization. Okay. So that what is the result of that? Understand? Now, sorry, I won't use the spect when I'm going to explain or when I'm going to teach. Okay. First one, limit x tends to infinity, limit x tends to infinity 1 by 1 into 2 plus 1 by 2 into 3 up to so on plus 1 by x into x plus 1 is A 1, B minus 1, C 0, D none of these. None of these. This is the special type of series. Okay. How to solve? See, these all comes only by working. See, what is this 1 by 1 into 2 plus 2 by 2 into 3 up to so on 1 by x into x plus 1. Okay, I will write, I won't write the limit x tends to infinity, x tends to infinity every time. See, 1 by 1 into 2 is equal to 1 by 1 minus 1 by 2. See, what is LCM? 1 into 2. 2, that is equal to what happens? 1 into 2 by 2 minus 1. That is 1 by 1 into 2. Similarly for this, 1 by 2 minus 1 by 3. 2 into 3 is LCM, 3 minus 2 is this one. Okay, 3 minus 2 how much? 1. That's why this given statement becomes that is equal to 1 by 1 minus 1 by 2 C. Next what happens? Plus 1 by 2 minus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 3 minus 1 by 4 up to so on plus 1 by x plus 1 by x plus 1. See, this is the remaining terms are minus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 minus 1 by 3 plus 1 up to so on minus x plus 1 by x minus 1 by x behind that s minus 1 by x plus 1 by x cancels. Remaining what happens? 1 minus 1 by x plus 1. What is this? 1 minus 1 by x plus 1. LCM how much? X plus 1 minus 1 by x plus 1. That is x by x plus 1. According to L'Hopital rule, differentiate 1 by 1. Or if numerator and denominator are in the same degree, coefficients of that one. What is the coefficient of x is 1. Here 1, that is 1. 1 is the answer. A is the answer. Understand? This series can be converted into 1 minus 1 by x plus 1 because 1 by 1 into 2 is 1 minus 1 by 2. Similarly, 1 by 2 into 3 is 1 minus 1 by 2 minus 1 by 3. Like that it is going on. minus plus minus plus minus 2. Minus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 minus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 3 minus 1 by x plus 1 by x cancels, remaining 1 minus 1 minus 1 by x plus 1, that is, take it LCM, x plus 1 minus 1 by x plus 1 minus 1 cancel, x by x plus 1 is this is, okay. Now when going to the limit applications, this is in the form of shortcut method. Good. The numerator and denominator have the same degree. Degree of the numerator is equal to degree of the denominator. Therefore, the coefficients of the numerator divided by coefficient of the denominator of the variable highest. How much here? 1. Therefore, 1 by 1, that is 1. This is the answer. Okay? Understand? Write it. These are not arithmetic progression or geometric progression. This is the different types of progression. Understand? Okay. Write it. Now, the next problem. Limit n tends to infinity, summation of r is equal to 1 to n tr, where tr is r by r power 4 plus r square plus 1. Very interesting problem. Okay? Okay. Now, I will take tr. tr is equal to r by r power 4 plus r square plus 1 is given. Okay? See, r power 4 plus 2r square plus 1 minus r square is equal to this one. Okay? I will add r square, that is 2r square, subtract r square, originality comes. This is what r square plus 1 whole square minus r square. Understand? This is the form of x square minus y square. I will write this is r square plus 1 minus r, okay, into r square plus 1 plus r, x minus y into x plus y. Understand? Whole thing what happens? This one becomes r square plus 1 minus r into r square plus 1 plus r. That is equal to r into r square plus 1 minus r, okay, into r square plus 1 plus r. Understand? Now, for our convenience, mathematics has some convenience. Let us take x, therefore I have to multiply by 2r divided by 2. Okay? And then split it. 2r divided by 1 by 2 into r square plus 1 minus r into r square plus 1 plus r. Okay? Write it this one. I want to erase that one. Write it. Okay. Now, I will split it. Okay, 2r is r plus r. Good. That is 1 by 2 into this divided by this, because minus into plus, minus into minus, plus. That is 1 by r square plus r minus plus 1 minus r minus 1 by r square plus 1 plus r. Okay? See, this is multiply with 1, this is multiply with 1, minus into minus plus r plus 2r, 2 to cancel, remaining r. Therefore, r square minus r square plus 1 minus 1 cancel. Therefore, this is equal to 1 by 2 into, see, put as r is equal to 1, what happens? 1 by 1 plus 1 minus 1 minus 1 by 1 plus 1 plus 1. What happens? That is 1 by 2 into 1 minus 1 by 3. See, put r is equal to 2. What happens? 1 by 2 into 1 by 4 plus 1 minus 2, okay, minus 1 by, that is 4 plus 1 plus 2. What happens? 4 plus 1, 5 minus 2 is minus 1 by 2 into 1 by 3 minus 1 by 7. Like this it will comes. Okay? Write this one up to here. Then see, this will become, if put inject, you have to inject r is equal to what happens? 1 by 2 into 1 minus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 3 minus 1 by 7 plus 1 by 7 up to so on, remaining this one 1 by n square plus 1 plus n, okay, plus 1 by 3 minus 1 by 3 minus 1 by 7 plus remaining what happens? 1 by 2 into 1 minus 1 by n square plus 1 plus n, okay. Next, LCM is n square plus 1 plus, that is 1 by 2 into n square plus 1 plus n minus 1 divided by n square plus 1 plus n. Plus 1 minus 1 cancel. 1 by 2 into n square plus n by n square plus n plus 1. Okay. Okay. Here you have to put limit tends to infinity. Now limit tends to infinity. The equation is in the form of P by QR f of x by g of x. What is the power of highest power? 2. Here 2. That is degree of the numerator is equal to degree of the denominator. Therefore, the coefficients of this variable. Therefore, 1 by 2 into 1 by 1. That is 1 by 2. Where is this 1 by 2? B is the answer. Understand? 1 by 2 is the answer. Okay. Next problem what? See. 1 into 2 plus 2 into 3 up to so on n into n plus 1 divided by n cube as a limit tends to infinity. What is the nth term here? N into n plus 1. What is the summation of that one? That is summation of n into n plus 1. I will take this numerator. After that I will go to the denominator. Denominator clear is there, n cube is there, no problem. This is equal to what? Summation of n square plus n. How to apply the summation? What happens? This is summation of n square plus summation of n. Okay? Where n is equal to 1 to infinity. What is this? Sum of natural numbers. Okay. Square of the natural numbers. That is 1 square plus 2 square up to so on plus n square plus 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus up to so on n. Okay. What is this? sum of the squares of the natural numbers. This is sum of the natural number. This is form is there. Okay. What is the formula? N square. N into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 divided by 6 plus what is the sum of natural number? N into n plus 1 by 2. Good. N into n plus 1 divided by 2. Here n into n plus 1 is there. Here n into n plus 1 take it outside. What happens? By 2. Okay, good. N into n plus 1 divided by 2. Take it as a common factor. What happens? 1. Good. 2n plus 1 by 3 minus 1. Okay. LCM, take it LCM. Okay. That is n into n plus 1 into 2n minus 2 divided by 6. Okay. This is 3 minus 3 plus 1 is minus 2. N into n plus 1 is 2n minus 1 minus 2 by 6. Okay. Write it. Okay. Now n into n square into n cube. Good. That is, now this is limit tested to the total. What is this? N into n plus 1 into 2n minus 2 divided by n cube. Okay. Oh, okay. Comes in the polynomial. The degree of the numerator what? N into n square into n cube. What is this? 2n cube. Good. That is 2 by 6. Okay. By 6. What is your n cube? 1. That is into 1. 2, 3. 1 by 3 is the answer. That is C is the answer. Okay. One second. Explain. Okay. This is 1 into 2 plus 2 into 3. This is equal to n into n plus summation of n into n plus 1. That is n into n square plus n. Split mode. Summation of n square plus summation of n. Summation of n square is 1 square plus 2 square. That is the formula what? N into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6. This is the sum of the squares of the natural number. This is the sum of the natural number. Here n into n plus 1 into n plus 1 by 6 plus n into n plus 1 by 2. Understand? Okay. N into n plus 1 by 2, n into n plus 1 by 2 is the common factor. Remaining 2n plus 1 by 3 plus 1. This is plus 4. Sorry, not minus, plus 4. Plus 4. No problem. 3 plus 1 is plus is there. Okay. Now, the degree of the numerator is equal to degree of the denominator. Then the coefficients of the highest degree. What is the highest degree? N into n. N square into 2n is 2n cube. What is coefficient to n cube? 2. Write it 2. Here only n cube is there. What is the coefficient? 1 into n cube. I will write. This 6 is by the formula. 2 by 6 is 1 by 3. This is the answer. Okay. Write it. Hello. Okay. This is the special problem. Here the limit extends to pi by 2, 1 power 1 by cos square x plus 2 power 1 by cos square x plus up to so on n power 1 by cos square x whole power cos square x. Okay. See, what is 1 by cos square x? Secant square x. I won't write limit. Okay. 1 power secant square x plus 2 power secant square x up to so on plus n power secant square x. Okay. Whole power cos square x. This cos is always cos square is always less than or equal to 1. Okay. That is cos x is less than or equal to minus 1, less than or equal to cos x, less than or equal to 1. What is your cos square? Therefore, cos square x is always less than or equal to 1. Okay? Good. Take it as a n secant square x. N is a common factor. N secant square x is a common factor. What happens? N secant square x into cos square x. Remaining what happens? 1 by n secant square x plus 2 by n whole power secant square x up to so on, plus here n already taken outside 1, that's all, because I will take n secant square outside in power cos square x. Okay, this is always less than, notice, this is always less than 1, means what about 1 by n? It is always less than 1. N is greater than 1 because n tends to x. Notice n, okay. N is greater than 1, 1 by n less than 1. Okay, this whole thing becomes more than 1 because 1 power x secant square, because secant square is put extends to pi by 2, secant pi by 2 what happens? Infinity. Good. Therefore 1 power infinity plus 2 power infinity up to so on infinity. Okay, but what is 1 by n? It is less than 1, it approaches to 0. Good. That means this becomes 0, this becomes 0, up to all becomes 0. That is secant square cos square cancel, n into 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0 up to so on plus 1. Okay, cos square pi by 2. What is cos square pi by 2? 0. Good. Apply ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. n into 1 power 0, that is n. Answer is A. Understand? This is the very important concept here. 1 by n whole power secant square plus 2 by n whole power secant square up to so on plus 1. Because n is greater than 1, but 1 by n less than 1. All are become nearer to 0, not equal to 0. Okay? Then whole thing becomes 0, then limit then extends to pi by 2. Then whole thing's power 0 is 1. Therefore, this is equal to n. Understand? See, 1 by n power secant square. What is secant pi by 2? Infinity. N power infinity, 1 by infinity plus 2 by infinity, all are 0 up to 1. That is also comes. Okay? Write it. Very important one. Hello. This is the exponential problem. Good. We know that limit x tends to infinity, a power 1 by x minus 1 divided by 1 by x is equal to log a, or limit x tends to 0, a power x minus 1 by x is equal to log a. If x tends to infinity, that is a power 1 by x. If x tends to 0, a power x, that's all. Understand? Here what is here? X tends to infinity. Okay. We know that, I already explained in the shortcut method, limit x tends to infinity by power cap is equal to e power limit x tends to infinity, this by minus 1 into cap is multiplied like this. What is here by? This whole thing minus 1. What is cap here? N C. Understand? N C. Okay. Now this is equal to, I won't write the limit, 1 power 1 by x plus 2 power 1 by x up to so on, plus n power 1 by x minus 1, this is divided by n here there, into nx. Okay? This is multiplied with n. What happens? This is n. Okay? Ln cancel. Here how many n elements? Here minus n, that means 1, minus 1, minus 1, minus 1. How many times? N times. Understand? That's why I will write this x is right. This x will be right as 1 by x. Okay? 1 power 1 by x minus 1 divided by 1 by x plus 2 power 1 by x minus 1 divided by 1 by x up to so on. I will n minus 1 minus 1 minus 1 minus 1 minus 1, how much? Minus n times. That is, I will split in n is a 1 minus 1 minus, because here n is there. If not n is there, you cannot write minus 1 minus 1 minus 1. How many times? N times. That is why I will write. Plus up to so on, plus n power 1 by x minus 1 by 1 by x. Okay? Now limit extends to infinity. What happens? This is all our e power. What happens? Log 1 plus log 2 plus log 3 up to so on log n. That is e power log 1 plus log 2 up to so on log n. What is this? Log a plus log b plus log c is what is happened? Log a, b, c, d, e, f. Similarly, log 1 into 2 into 3 into up to so on, that is equal to e power log n factorial. That is 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 into 4 into up to so on, n into n means n factorial. E power n means, e power log means, that is n factorial. Understand? E power logarithm of a number is equal to number, that's all. What is that number? N factorial. A is the answer. Understand? Very important problem. Once again I will explain. The value of limit extends to infinity, 1 power 1 by x plus 2 power 1 by x up to so on, n power 1 by x divided by n whole power nx. It can be converted to put exponential on this, becomes b minus the boy cap becomes e power limit extends to infinity b minus 1 cap. What is boy? This is, okay? That is this n minus 1, this one. Now LCM what? N becomes like this. This n cancel, remaining minus n times, that is 1 power 1 by x minus 1 by this x is in terms of bracket as a 1 by x plus 2 power 1 by x minus 1 by x plus up to so on n power 1 by x minus 1 by 1 by x. As the limit extends to infinity, this becomes log 1, log 2, log 3 up to so on log n. We know that log a plus log b plus log c is log ABC. Understand? Okay, log a plus log b up to so on log n is log a, b, c up to so on n. That is log into log of 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 into up to so on n. That is n factorial. That is n factorial. Log n factorial. E power log a number is the number. What is that number? N factorial. This is the A is the answer. Understand? Hello students. Any clarification, make it to a WhatsApp membership the number 701910694. Tomorrow, the same topic, limits of continuity, will be continuous.